today about is your significance and leadership.
Historic and dignitary.
Ah, historic and dignitary. What made you choose those?
It's like thinking that I am historic, like I told you before.
Yeah.
So,
Yes, you literally are living history. You are a piece of living history because you've lived through things no one else has, and you have your own experiences which are significant that you can take with you. Connect them. You can connect them to yourself at this point in time. You can connect them to your life in general. You can even connect them to your future. You know, like how do you envision yourself as a leader?
yeah, so seeing how Annalise, my partner, drew my silhouette, it was definitely different from how I would have seen myself, and it helped me think differently about kind of how other people see me, and just a different way a person can look at me and like think about how I look, or like maybe like my own significance. So it was definitely different from what I would have thought, and it helped like me gain a different perspective on me as a leader. And then that kind of mixed match with like my own take of how I drew everything. I thought it was like a nice mix of like how another person saw me as a leader and then how I saw myself.